Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your touchpad on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for some reason, your touchpad is not working. Your mouse icon right here is not showing. Well, this video is for you. Okay, so what you'll do first is go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and open up my on-screen keyboard. Okay. Now, what you got to do is find the function key on your keyboard. All right. And then you have these numbers right here. All right. Or if you have the function keys like F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, well, skip pressing the function key right here. Okay. If you don't have F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, well, hold the function. All right. So hold the function key and then press 1. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Release it. Now go ahead and check your trackpad or touchpad and check if it helps. If that won't work, do the same with F2, okay, function key and number 2. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and again, test it out. If that still won't work, use F3 or F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9. All right, until your touchpad goes back on. Now, there are some laptop keyboards where there is a key, okay, specifically for touchpad. I'm just going to show you right here. Like this one, okay. It could be right under F10 that got this icon. Okay. And just basically press it. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix touchpad on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.